Okay, so let me show you what I usually do. I usually have them here on my nightstand, and they come in a big pack, big bunch. They're kind of stuck together. They come out real easy. And I usually, first I do is I usually align it on the top of my hand first, like this. So I make sure I get the right position. It's not a big deal. It's just laying it on flat, straight like that, right? And I flip it over, just like that. Take off the tape, one side, roll it, and then I rip it off. It actually rips real easy because even though it's strong, you can pull it like this and it doesn't rip, but when you pull from the side, it tears real easy, which is kind of nice. So you can align it basically to adjust to your hand, any size hand. And then I grab the other one, which is really where I start to put the tension on it. And you can see there's like a little circle there. So what you want to do is make sure it gets to an oval point, like right about there, right? You could feel the tension go on, right? And I rip it off there, and then I put the final one on top. Pull that off. Just like that. And you could even see, I mean, I like it kind of tight, snug, so I could feel it working. But I usually put a lot of tension on it, where it's a nice oval. And you know, I'll keep it on all night. And unlike the wrist brace where you can't move your hand, you can't, and it's noisy, and it's really difficult to sleep. This is real soft. This is sort of like a neoprene, like a rubber almost. So it's real flexible, but yet it'll hold the tension on it. And of course, this is just regular tape, but I don't know what it's made out of, but it's pretty strong where it doesn't rip, but you can tear it from the side, which is nice. Okay, so I just demonstrated how to put this on, and I mean, if you're like me, you know, if you've exhausted every possibility and you're real discouraged right now, and you're thinking about, hey, you know what, I think the last resort is maybe surgery, this is really a cheap solution, and I believe all your symptoms will be gone. You know, it beats surgery, like I said, and I've gone through all the different scenarios, all the things I've tried. This is definitely a workable solution. So get the carpal tunnel solution. You know, if you're working on a computer all day long, it's not going to go away. It's going to get worse and worse and worse and worse because you're not getting younger, you're getting older. The amount of time you're spending in front of a computer is getting more and more intense. The internet's just getting to be a knowledge book of everything. I mean, you're not really, you're spending less time on the TV, more time on the internet. So that's more time on your hands, less time resting. I mean, you're going to have to do something eventually if you have even the slightest pain right now, because it will get worse. You can switch to your left hand and it's just going to follow your left hand. That's why I got 2 packs, because I didn't wise up in the beginning and take care of the problem the right way. So I would suggest run out, purchase it, give it a shot, and see what it does. I believe it'll help you.